How to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Once you're here, you want to click on these three lines and then click on Avatar. Now, once you're here, first I'm going to show you how you can put on different accessories on Roblox. So you simply want to click on the accessory that you want to use. So here I'm going to put on this cap. Now for face accessories, click on accessories, then click on face. And here you're going to find different face accessories, the ones which are free and also the ones which will require some Robux that you have to pay. Now click on one and here you can see you have put on one face accessory. Now if you want to put multiple, then you simply want to click on the other face accessory. So here you can find the details about that face accessory. So as you can see, this one is going to cost you 40 Robux. So you want to click on the buy option here to buy this face accessory. And once you do, you can wear both of them at the same time. And that is how you can wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.